Hello everyone. Me and my group wanted to talk to you today about one disease that everyone needs to know about and take every precaution to limit the risk of getting that disease. And that disease is cancer. First, we want to start with the definition of cancer. Cancer is a complex group of diseases with many possible causes and could lead to death. Now we can mention the most known causes of cancer, which are tobacco, drug, alcohol use, sun, UV exposure, radiations like X-rays and gamma rays, poor diet and poor physical activities, infectious agents like the HIV and HPV, genetics, it could be inherited, exposure to other carcinogens, and some of them we see in our daily life. Now we mentioned what causes the cancer, we can move to how to reduce the risk of getting the cancer. First, do not use tobacco. Tobacco was found to be one of the leading causes of cancer, and it could cause lung, bladder, kidney, and cervix cancer. And a lot of people think that only cigarette smoking causes the cancer, but they're wrong. Cigar, secondhand smoking, and smokeless tobacco also could increase the risk of getting the cancer. You can see here how much toxins one cigarette has. And here you can see the difference between a healthy lung and a tobacco smoker's lung. Second thing you could do to reduce the risk of getting the cancer is by protecting yourself from the sun and UV exposure, which are the most common cause of skin cancer. And what you can do to protect yourself is by avoiding midday sun, and that is when the sun is at its strongest. You can also use sunscreen or cover exposed areas by wearing a hat or long sleeves shirt. Also avoid tanning beds and sun lamps as they are source of UV radiation. Third thing you can do is improving your diet and physical activity. Eat plenty of fruits and vegetables. Eat more fiber and you will find that in the bread. Also try to limit fats, additives and consumption of alcohol. Also maintain physical activities to maintain a healthy lifestyle. Fourth, get immunized and avoid risky behaviors. Immunization provides protection against certain viral infections that could cause cancer like hepatitis and HPV. Also avoid the unsafe sex and do not share needles as they could cause some viral infections like HIV. Fifth, limit exposure to other carcinogens, and some of them we see and use in our daily lives. The most known ones that could cause cancer are cell phones, hair dyes, pesticides, and power lines. And finally, what if we have a family history of the disease? If you do so, then do the predictive gene testing, which will look for gene mutations that might put a person at risk of getting a cancer, and then that person can do all the precautions possible to fight that cancer. At the end, we wish you all a healthy life far from cancer and any other diseases, and thank you for listening to us.